This is Arabic Easy for All A1 Arabic courses. Lesson 48. What time is it?
كم الساعة؟
إنها 8:15.
تأخرت مرة أخرى.
ما العمل؟
لا شيء. كل يوم أسرع وكل يوم أتأخر.
Did you get this part easily? It is time to learn them by heart. Just keep repeating them loudly that you hear yourself saying them correctly and discover the beauty of your sounds. Don't forget to repeat writing them as well, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, why not? A PDF writing worksheet to help you exercise writing them is on the website link underneath this video.
In A1 lesson 48, we learned about time. In lesson 49, we will, inshallah, learn about students.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.